Welcome to today's video, where we will talk about 6 worst foods that can aggravate diabetes, and present some healthier alternative choices. Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. It occurs when the body either cannot produce enough insulin, or cannot effectively utilize the insulin it produces. Insulin is a hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels, and allowing glucose to enter cells for energy that the body needs. Without proper insulin function, blood sugar levels rise, leading to various health complications, including diabetes. Before moving on to the worst foods, let's discuss the cause of diabetes. There are 2 primary types of diabetes, type 1 and types 2. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune condition, where the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys cells that produce insulin in the pancreas. As a result, people with type 1 diabetes require frequent insulin injections to manage their blood sugar levels. Type 2, on the other hand, is characterized by insulin resistance, where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin's action. Over time, the pancreas may also produce insufficient insulin, leading to further complications. It is often linked to individual lifestyle factors such as obesity, sedentary behavior, and poor food choices. That is why it's so important for people living with the condition to adopt a well-balanced diet, which plays a crucial role in managing diabetes and promoting overall health. While some foods are beneficial for diabetics, others can significantly worsen their condition. Let's explore some of those worst foods for diabetes, and why they should be avoided. 1. Sugary delights. Sugary foods, such as cakes, cookies, pastries, and candies, are high in refined sugars and simple carbohydrates. When consumed, these sugary delights cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to a sudden surge of energy followed by a crash. In addition to lacking essential nutrients, excessive consumption of these types of food can lead to insulin resistance and weight gain, making it particularly harmful for individuals with diabetes. Instead of these sugary treats, opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits, sugar-free desserts, or dark chocolate with higher cocoa content, which contains less sugar. 2. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates are grains that have undergone extensive processing, stripping them of their fiber and nutrients. Foods made from refined grains, such as white bread, white rice, and pasta, are rapidly broken down into glucose when consumed, causing a sharp rise in blood sugar levels. As a result, these foods can lead to poor blood sugar control and worsen insulin resistance over time. For better diabetes management, choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, barley, and whole wheat products, which are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and have a slower impact on blood sugar levels. 3. Sugar-sweetened beverages. Sugar-sweetened beverages like soda, energy drinks, and fruit juices are major culprits when it comes to elevated blood sugar levels. These drinks contain large amounts of added sugars, causing a rapid spike in blood glucose levels and providing little to no nutritional value when ingested. Moreover, these beverages can contribute to weight gain and make it difficult to manage type 2 diabetes. Instead of sugary drinks, opt for water, unsweetened herbal teas, or infuse water with fresh fruits for a refreshing and healthier alternative. 4. Trans and saturated fats. Trans and saturated fats are unhealthy fats that can worsen insulin resistance, increase bad cholesterol levels, and raise the risk of heart disease in individuals with diabetes. Foods that commonly contain trans fats include fried foods, commercial baked goods, and processed snacks. As for saturated fats, They are abundant in high-fat dairy products like whole milk, full-fat yogurt, and heavy cream, among others. They are also present in fatty cuts of meat such as pork belly, lamb shoulder, duck leg or breast, and many more. To improve diabetes management, focus on consuming healthier fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. 5. Excessive alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption may have some potential health benefits, excessive drinking can wreak havoc on blood sugar levels and overall health. Too much alcohol can significantly impact liver function, disrupting its crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, and thereby increasing the risk of developing insulin resistance and making it challenging to manage diabetes effectively. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation and opt for lower sugar options like dry wines or spirits mixed with sugar-free mixers, which are alcoholic beverages that contain little to no added sugars. 6. High-sodium foods. Foods high in sodium can lead to increased blood pressure, which is a concern for individuals with diabetes, as they are already at a higher risk for heart disease. Processed foods, canned goods, and fast foods are often high in sodium and should be avoided. To reduce sodium intake, focus on preparing fresh meals using herbs and spices for flavor, instead of relying on excessive salt. Choose whole foods, such as fresh vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins, which are naturally low in sodium. As a side note, it is better to avoid consuming large-sized meals. Eating large portion sizes, even with healthier foods, can lead to significant blood sugar spikes and a challenge in diabetes management. Controlling your meal size is essential to maintaining stable blood sugar levels and promoting healthy weight management. It is better to eat smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day to prevent extreme fluctuations in blood sugar. Additionally, be mindful of your hunger cues and stop eating when you feel satisfied, rather than overly full. In summary, being mindful of food choices is vital for individuals with diabetes to maintain stable blood sugar levels and overall health. By avoiding sugary delights, refined carbohydrates, sugar-sweetened beverages, unhealthy fats, excessive alcohol, high-sodium foods, and large portion sizes, you can take significant steps toward better diabetes management. It is better to opt for nutrient-dense foods that provide sustained energy, promote stable blood sugar levels, and contribute to your overall well-being. Always remember, a healthy diet is far more affordable than medical bills. So, until next time, take good care of yourself, eat well, exercise regularly, and above all, prioritize your health, as we all need you. That is all. Thank you.